Garden Eden, day one. Cool. Lunch if you want to spend. The Celebrity-Apex. This is deck 15 view with the elevators, out a window, the pool. We'll walk up to the top of that and check it out. Stepped out the elevator area. Nice. Walk. There's the run. And then we're gonna walk. People on the magic carpet. They're having a little something. Smoking area, getting away over here. There's the magic carpet. Still in Port Carnival. Our car's over that way. The garden, rooftop garden, and 14 on the way. Or the roads, we still gotta go down. Head to the rooftop garden, not going down. Magic carpet. We had lunch. That's Cruse. Came on the ship. Claire. Spa Cafe and Juice Bar. Or 12, there's no such thing as 13. Looks like captains. Staterooms, yeah, we need to go down a lot more. 5, all right. paintings at the art gallery. The theater is right ahead. Entering the theater. I recognize a lot of this art. Ah, there's one my wife had, sort of. Looks like it's changed it a little bit. Thomas Kincaid. There's how you get off the boat if it sinks. Get on one of these guys. Wrong 5. All right. Fine Cut Steakhouse. Yeah, the other place we're all on 5 because we're on the 5th deck. Art. Okay, Eden in blue. This way. All the celebrity have these wild arts walkways. It's Blue Restaurant, only if you're in the retreats or spas area of the stadium. And here's Eden. Pandora, outside of Eden.
I mean, don't you know? Butterflies all having fun, you know I don't need sleep in peace when day is done. That's when
Check into the restaurant down here.
please everybody put your hands together.
Grand Plaza. Now down to 4. Chocolate chip cookie. Ice mocha. Decaf. Selling away. Got a little cold outside.
Hold on, let me put
Very cold.
that's probably it.
It's fine.
I got it.
Selling away. Coast of Florida. All right. Back of the boat.